Hi, my name is Scott Russo, president of Peter Millar. We started the company in 2001, and in 2012 was a very pivotal year for us when Rijemont bought the company. And those of you who are familiar with great brands like Chloe, Dunhill, Montblanc, Van Cleef, Cartier, we're in an amazing, amazing group, and it's fantastic when we are in meetings with them, and the knowledge that they provide for us is truly, truly amazing.
So Peter Millar was started, as we saw, with an offering of cashmere sweaters. The guy who founded the company saw a niche in the marketplace for a cashmere sweater under $200. His name is not Peter Millar. It was actually named after that lawn bowling ball that you just saw up there. And the bowling ball was on his desk when he started the company, and it just reminded him of a time where people dressed well. And he was like, that's kind of cool. His mother gave him the ball, so that's what he named the brand after. He named after this bowling ball. Anyway, I think it's a kind of a cool story, and the way that we've grown from cashmere sweaters all the way up to lifestyle is pretty awesome, and it's a lot to do with the support we get in this room, so truly appreciate that. So with that said, who wants to see some spring looks? So up here we have Miss Monica Sidechander. Monica does a fantastic job on our tailored clothing side of the business. Monica is actually going to talk about our first two looks, which are going to be our tailored clothing.
So Pace is in a micro houndstooth suit, giving a little bit of texture to gray. I assure you this gray is different from the other gray suits we have on the floor right now. It will be in our Flynn model, which is the dominant fit on the floor. Updated classic, fully lined, slightly structured expression, and half canvas construction. This sample is in our Turner model, which is our trim fit that we offer through Made to Measure. Magor is in a mint textured solid in our Hyperlight model, which is our classic half-lined jacket. The construction is obviously lighter and thinner, allowing for the softer shoulder, a more natural expression. This particular shade is actually on the floor right now, but only in 10 doors in the south. But we've given a bit of a rest to coral and updated it to this beautiful color, ruby. So handsome. So hopefully you like it.
It matches her lipstick.
That was done on purpose too. What we have here is what we call our all-weather discovery. All-weather is a sub-label that we use for our Peter Millar collection. This coat, we updated it, we shortened it a bit, just cleaned up the microfiber a little bit, softened it up, and added stretch. And then we're also doing a hood on this. The hood is stowable, but we did make it removable as well. I also want to call attention to the sweater. This is what we call the Excursionist Flex. This is actually an 18 gauge merino. This merino is so fine that it's 1 micron off the finest cashmere in the world. We also plated it for enhanced performance. Finished it off with washable suede and this great little zipper pull. I mean, this is luxury. Next, we have this channel stitch vest, wind resistant, water resistant, it has stretch, and this one particular one happens to be reversible. Just a fantastic piece. I want to talk about the sweater real quick. This year, we wanted to enhance that a little bit by offering plating. The plating just enhances that shape retention where it looks just as great at the end of the day as it did at the beginning. The performance woven that we see here is the same stuff that we've put out in stores in the past, but we've worked with the mill to create a fabric we call Natural Touch. I see a lot of times guys coming in the store and they touch the performance woven and say, well, it's just not for me. I'm more of a traditional guy. I like the cotton shirts. This shirt was in stores in December. You guys sold this extremely well, and you'll see more of this fabrication in the future. Here we see the EB66 5-pocket pant, 2-way mechanical stretch, wrinkle resistant, easy care. Now it's on RP in 4 colors, and we're looking to continue it through fall. Just awesome, awesome job here. You guys have sold our swim phenomenal. Here we see this little micro shell on the blue ground. Also want to call attention to the woven. The little print here is just this little lobster. He's wearing a Peter Millar flip-flop, which you have in stores right now. We do have the sandal as well. This is part of our Seaside package. It's just designed to get the customer thinking about hitting the coast with their friends and family. Last year, we had a lot of feedback that everybody liked the fact that we showed some fall sneak peeks. Here's what we're showing now. Right here, we have a bomber called Crown Elite. One of the reasons I like this piece is it's extremely versatile. Super lightweight fill, windproof, waterproof, and it has a stowable pocket. Also want to call attention to this cotton cashmere knit. It's going to hit the floor in fall in multiple colors. We also incorporated just the right amount of stretch to enhance performance in this piece. This look is once again a fall Peter Millar collection. This is 100% suede with stretch. It's also finished off with a cotton cashmere jersey liner. We highlighted it with this cool engineered stripe. Also finished with a removable shearling collar and nickel-plated Italian hardware. This coat is treated to be water resistant, so pretty awesome piece.
So here you have a sport coat that you'll see post-anniversary in the month of August, seasonal replenishment, blue multi-check with a slight touch finish. It's in hyper light. You guys know it, you love it. We put a flat pocket on it.
Sells itself. So I just briefly mentioned Seaside when we saw the swim. We came out with what's called Mountainside for fall 18. That's going to be back for fall 19. These items you see here are part of Mountainside. The shirting jacket, which is a cotton linen blend, the brushed cotton shirt. We finished this thing off in a very subtle camo liner. We have to talk about this pant. This is a cotton stretch blend that goes through a 60-minute enzyme wash to soften it up. And so far, I haven't seen anything like it on the floor, especially for a price point under 150 bucks. So the quilted vest that you guys are used to seeing, we've enhanced the fabrication. It's a little bit softer. It's a little bit more comfortable. We add the pockets inside for the multi-storage. This also comes with a bottle opener. I can be in a store working with one of your customers. They are spinning forever figuring out if they want to buy this thing. You show them the bottle opener, sold. We're bringing back the merino silk for fall. We added the plating to that as well for superior shape retention and performance. Last but not least, we can't go through a whole presentation without showing performance knits, right? We have the 4-way stretch, the antimicrobial properties, moisture management, easy care, the UPF 50 sun protection. Also with the performance short, 2-way mechanical stretch, moisture management, easy care, all the stuff that guys look for in bottoms these days. So now you're probably thinking like, all right, we're into fall, why are we showing this? One of the number one call outs that we heard is we want this product in year round. You're gonna have it. So guys, just in summary, like we can't thank you enough for all the support you give us. We can promise you as a brand, we're gonna continue to support the call-outs, support the innovation, do all we can to give you the tools and the product you need to continue growing the business. So we just thank you so much for having us. We're honored to be here again, and we can't do it without you, so thank you.